Fancy enthusiasts, I'm Emma, your tech guide. Before we jump into today's tutorial, ensure you've hit that subscribe button and turned on notifications. Now let's get started. Today, we're tackling the installation of Visual Studio Code on your Windows system. Ready? Let's dive in. Step 1, head over to the official Visual Studio Code website. You can find the link in the description below. Once there, hit the Download for Windows button, and your download will start. Fantastic. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your downloads and run it. Follow the on-screen instructions, and before you know it, Visual Studio Code will be set up on your Windows system. Great job. You're all set. Launch VS Code from your desktop or Start menu. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and share it with your tech-savvy friends. Wrapping up today's tutorial. Thanks for tuning in. Questions or ideas for future videos? Drop them in the comments. Until next time, happy coding.